Yes, good morning students. Welcome you all in the class of mathematics, and here it is the second video for this week where I will explain chapter number 4, rational number, mathematics for standard 7th. And today's topic which I will explain, that is finding multiple rational numbers between two integers, and then after that the concept of finding multiple rational number between two rational numbers. Okay, then additions of rational number when the denominator is same. After that the concept of addition of rational numbers when the denominators are not same, when the denominators are different. Okay, then based on this only some evaluation questions based on additions of rational numbers. Okay, so this we will discuss, I will discuss, so all you try to understand from here. Yes, okay students, it is chapter number 4, rational number, mathematics for standard 7. So today's first topic is that finding multiple rational numbers between two integers. So if such question I have taken that find 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. Okay, so first you can find its equivalent form, so that try to create the space between these two numbers, because we have to find 5 rational numbers between them. So we may write that in the solutions we may write that -2 equals to -2 into 6 and 1 into 6. Why I am multiplying with 6? Because you need 5 rational numbers and these two numbers are consecutive integers. So when the two numbers between which you have to find number that are consecutive numbers, and you need, if 5 numbers, then 1 more than 5, that means with 6 you will multiply the numerator and denominator, that is -12 by 6, and -1 equals to -1 into 6 by 1 into 6, so we will get that -6 by 6. So clearly now you can say that -12 by 6 is less than, that means more than this is -11 by 6, and more than -11 by 6 is -10 by 6, sorry 6 it is. -2 equals to -2 into 6 and 1 into 6. Why I am multiplying with 6? Because you need 5 rational numbers and these two numbers are consecutive integers. So when the two numbers between which you have to find number that are consecutive numbers, and you need, if 5 numbers, then 1 more than 5, that means with 6 you will multiply the numerator and denominator, that is -12 by 6, and -1 equals to -1 into 6 by 1 into 6, so we will get that -6 by 6. So clearly now you can say that -12 by 6 is less than, that means more than this is -11 by 6, less than -11 by 6, minus, then you can write here 6, that means -11 by 6 is greater than -12 by 6, -10 by 6 is greater than -11 by 6, and then -9 by 6, more than this we will write -8 by 6, and more than this you will write that -7 by 6, and more than this -6 by 6. So how many numbers are between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Total 5 numbers we have got. Therefore you will write that required numbers are, this number you can write -12 by 6, you can write -2, and this -6 by 6 you can write -1. So in between numbers are -11 by 6, -10 by 6, -9 by 6, -8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6. So these numbers, this is the sequence. Okay, so the required numbers are these only. Firstly, you can write minus 11 by 6 comma minus 10 by 6 minus 9 by 6 comma minus 8 by 6 minus 7 by 6 and minus 1 2 3 4
less than minus 11 by 6 minus, then you can write here 6. That means minus 11 by 6 is greater than minus 12 by 6, minus 10 by 6 is greater than minus 11 by 6, and then minus 9 by 6 more than this. We will write minus 8 by 6, and more than this you will write that minus 7 by 6, and more than this minus 6 by 6. So how many numbers are between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Total 5 numbers we have got. Therefore, you will write that required numbers are, this number you can write minus 12 by 6, you can write minus 2, and this minus 6 by 6 you can write minus 1. So in between numbers are minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6. So these numbers, this is the sequence. Okay, so the required numbers are these only.
Therefore required numbers are these only. So you can write that minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6 are required numbers. Okay, now one more question I'm giving, like finding multiple rational numbers between between two rational numbers. Okay, so this is the topic that I'm giving. Find 5 rational number between
Therefore required numbers are these only. So you can write that minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6 are required numbers. Okay, now one more question I'm giving, like finding multiple rational numbers between between two rational numbers. Okay, so this is the topic that I'm giving. Find 5 rational number
between this 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. So in solution you can write that 4 by 5 equals to 4 into, I am finding equivalent rational number, 5 into 3. Numerator and denominator multiply with the same number, that is 12 by 15. You have to try to make a space between these two rational numbers, then only you can find. So 2 by 3 equals to, now you will multiply with 5, because see that LCM of this 5 and 3 is 15 only. So you will multiply with 5 now. 2 into 5 10, and 3 into 5 15. So how many numbers between these now? 10 and 12. Only one, 11 by 15 you can find. Now again you will try to make more some space, that 12 by 15 equals to, you will multiply because you need 5 numbers. So at least more than 5 number you should multiply with the given numbers. A number greater than 5. Okay, so I am multiplying with 6. 15 into 6, 12 into 6, 72, and 15 into 6, 90. Next, 10 by 15 equals to 10 into 6, and 15 into 6. So you will get that is 60 by 90. Okay, therefore required numbers, you will say that required numbers are required numbers are 61 by 90, because the given number you have got these two, 72 by 90 and 60 by 90. So 61 to 60, 71, all are in between numbers only. 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90 and 65 by 90. Because you need only 5 numbers, so these 5 numbers only take, but you can find up to 71, that means 10 rational numbers you can find between these two. Okay, now you have to see addition of rational numbers. Okay, and the first point is that addition of rational numbers when the denominator is same. When the denominator is same, okay, that means denominator is same, or you can say when the denominator is same or equal. So if example I am giving that if x by y plus v by y, so the denominator y is same at the both the place, so result is x plus v by y, x plus v by y. So example you can see, suppose that the number is written 2 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So this will become what, 5. Actually the LCM of these denominators are 5 only. Then 2 plus 6. So simply when the denominator is same, so write in the sum also denominator the same number and add the numerators only. Add the numerators. So result will come 8 by 5. Same way if it is given 9 by 13 plus 2 by 13, you will get only add the numerators. 9 plus 2 by 13, you will get that is 15 by 13. After that you can convert in mixed fraction. Okay, yes. Now if the numbers are negative, then one more question. You given minus 4 by 7 plus minus 8 by 7, then you will add this denominator in the sum also same, only add the numerators because their denominators are same, equal. So you will add minus 4 plus minus 8, the result will come minus this plus into minus 4 into minus 8, sorry, minus 4 minus 8 by 7. You will get that minus 12 by 7. Okay, result is minus 12 by 7. Only add the numerators, whether it is negative or positive. Now the next topic is here, get addition of rational numbers when denominators are not same. Okay, the second case is that when the denominators are not same. So example you see that 2 by 3 plus first number goes to 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Then the LCM of denominators 3 and 4, these denominators 3 and 4 is 12. So when you will write this 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equals to, this convert into this denominator as this LCM, as common denominator of both the numbers. 3 into 4 12, so numerator also multiply with 4, then 3 by 4 into 3, here also 3, 4 into 3 is 12, that is equal to LCM. So that's why the numerator also multiply with 3. Here also 3 into 4 is 12, therefore numerator also multiply with 4. that is coming that 8 by 12, and this is 3 into 3, 9 by 12. Now add the numerators because denominator is same here. So 8 plus 9 by 12 means 17 by 12. This is answer. Okay, so this way you can add the two rational number with different denominators, find LCM, and that LCM convert the given rational numbers into such form such that the denominator is that LCM only. Okay. Yes, now one more method we have here, that if the question is given that add 2 by 5 plus 3 by minus 4. So denominator is negative, make it positive only first. You will write the number as 2 by 5 plus 3 into minus 1 by minus 4 into minus 1. Directly also you can transfer. So it is 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. Now find the LCM of this 5 and 4. You will find the denominator's LCM is 20 here. LCM of this denominator 5 and 4, 20. Now 5 into 4 times this 20, then 4 into numerator 2. Same way this 4 into 5 times, then 5 into numerator 5 into minus 3. So you will get that 8 plus minus 15 by 20. That means plus into minus minus 8 minus 15 by 20. That means minus 7 by 20. Okay. This you will get 8 minus 15 is minus 7 by 20. Yes, now one more evaluation questions based on addition of rational number, that minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 and plus minus 1 by 4. So denominators are already positive. First find the LCM of denominators 8, 16 and 4. That will come 16. You can find that in last previous classes we have studied. So minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is question. So first make the denominators equal to this LCM in every number. Minus 13, 8 into 2, and here it is already 16. Here minus 1 into 4 and 4 into 4. Why you multiply with 4? Because 4 into 4 is 16. You are multiplying mainly due to the denominator only. This 4 into 4 into 16. That's why minus 1 into 4 also. Numerator also multiply with 4. So minus 26 by 16 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 4 by 16. Now if the denominators are same, now you will do what? 16 here minus 26 plus 5 plus minus 4. So minus 26 and minus 4. You will get this one, minus 26 plus 5 minus 4 by 16. This plus into minus is minus here. Then you will write that minus 26 minus 4 is minus 30 plus 5. Minus 30 plus 5 you will get. Okay. Yes, now one more evaluation questions based on addition of rational number, that minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 and plus minus 1 by 4. So denominators are already positive. First find the LCM of denominators 8, 16 and 4. That will come 16. You can find that in last previous classes we have studied. So minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is question. So first make the denominators equal to this LCM in every number. Minus 8 into 2, and here it is already 16.
here minus 1 into 4 and 4 into 4. Why you multiply with 4? Because 4 into 4 is 16. You are multiplying mainly due to the denominator only, which 4 into 4 into 16, that's why minus 1 into 4 also. Numerator also multiply with 4. So minus 26 by 16 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 4 by 16. Now if the denominators are same, now you will do what? 16 here minus 26 plus 5 plus minus 4. So minus 26 and minus 4. You will get this one, minus 26 plus 5 minus 4 by 16. This plus into minus is minus here. Then you will write that minus 26 minus 4 is minus 30 plus. Yes, now one more evaluation questions based on addition of rational number, that minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 and plus minus 1 by 4. So denominators are already positive. First find the LCM of denominators 8, 16 and 4. That will come 16. You can find that in last previous classes we have studied. So minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is question. So first make the denominators equal to this LCM in every number. Minus 8 into 2, and here it is already 16. Here minus 1 into 4 and 4 into 4. Why you multiply with 4? Because 4 into 4 is 16. You are multiplying mainly due to the denominator only, which 4 into 4 into 16, that's why minus 1 into 4 also. Numerator also multiply with 4. So minus 26 by 16 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 4 by 16. Now if the denominators are same, now you will do what? 16 here minus 26 plus 5 plus minus 4. So minus 26 and minus 4. You will get this one, minus 26 plus 5 minus 4 by 16. This plus into minus is minus here. Then you will write that minus 26 minus 4 is minus 30.
And minus 26 and minus 4 is minus 30. And then 5 by 16. You will get minus 30 plus 5 is minus 25 by 16. So this way you can add more than two rational numbers with different denominators. Okay, finding LCM of denominators and then convert them into the same denominator which is equal to LCM. Now your homework is this: R.S. Agarwal chapter number 4 exercise 4B question number 8 to 10 and exercise 4C question number 1 to 3. Solve that. Okay, thank you all of you.